The WiFi Home Security System, Model 8P-Kit, offers a comprehensive 8-piece kit that includes an alarm gateway, multiple sensors, and a caregiver pager, all designed to enhance your home's security. You can effortlessly integrate this system with your smart home setup using Alexa and Google Assistant for seamless voice control and scheduling through the TUYA app. The system provides early warning notifications to your smartphone, ensuring you are alerted immediately if any unauthorized entry is detected at your doors or windows. Installation is straightforward and does not require any tools, making it accessible for anyone to set up, while the system also notifies you when battery levels are low. A powerful 100 decibel alarm acts as a strong deterrent to potential intruders, and you can customize alerts with various volume settings and chime options. The system's compatibility with the TUYA Smart app ensures you have constant access to real-time notifications and can address any issues promptly.